Hey guys, what's going on? Zach talking to you again. These are the RMT ready-made toys track speeders I was talking about in my previous video. They're really cool. They're little. They have it's one truck. They have the Mars light flashing on top of two figures, and they're marked for the specific transit or railroad line you are modeling. And I picked up two of them. I picked up one for MTA New York City Transit, which is to your left, the black and yellow, and to the right behind it is MTA Metro North Railroad. So yeah, they came out with a few of them: New York City Transit, Metro North, SEPTA, Union Pacific, BNSF, and a couple of others. But these two I picked up obviously because they're MTA. So really cool little pieces. I mean, they're good to go around, your work site, or if you just want to run a little like a track, I don't know, like a test. I'm sorry. Oh boy, I'm at a loss of words here. A test train around your tracks. There you go. A test train around your tracks. So anyway, that's it. So we'll see him run around the layout for like a couple of minutes, and that's it. But yeah, no horn or bell, but they're cool. So all right, enjoy, guys. Hey, you know what? We'll try and throw both of them on simultaneously, but I just don't want them to bang into each other, so we'll try them both. Give them enough distance. See how they both run together. Yeah, see, just a little nudge, because if the track's a little dirty, it's not going to pick up as well. With this big layout that I have, these two cars are very quiet compared to everything running simultaneously. Yeah, now they're together. Like bumper cars.